Are tracking double trouble in the tropics. Tropical storm Marco making landfall near the mouth of Mississippi, bringing heavy rains to the Big Easy.
But the bigger concern is Tropical Storm Laura, which is already battering the Caribbean as it moves through the islands and could pack a major punch as it takes aim at the Gulf Coast. The strong gusts from Laura leading to a wind advisory all throughout parts of South Florida today and a tropical storm warning for the Middle and Lower Keys.
Chief Certified Meteorologist Betty Davis is back and following it all from the Weather Authority Center. Betty.
Hi, everyone. All eyes on Laura as the center of this tropical storm moves from the western part of Cuba out over the Gulf of Mexico waters. This is the new advisory, maximum sustained winds of 65 miles per hour, still moving fast toward the west-northwest at 20 miles per hour. And as it's coming out over the warm waters of the Gulf, we can expect this to intensify. So let's consider where it will be heading and just how strong it is expected to get. So here is the projected path and also the intensity forecast from the National Hurricane Center, showing it moving into the southeastern Gulf overnight into Tuesday, then coming out into the central Gulf. And then as we're heading toward the middle of the week, appears to be slated for a landfall right along the Gulf Coast of the U.S. And obviously, based on this projected path, it's between the, say, upper coast of Texas and the coast of Louisiana that will certainly have to pay attention to this forecast, as they could be dealing with the landfall of a very powerful hurricane. This intensity forecast does show that the intensity reaches 110 miles per hour as it's approaching land. That is pretty close to a Category 3 hurricane. All it would need is a 111 mile per hour wind. So we're talking about the potential for a major hurricane making landfall in those parts. Back here at home, we have simply been dealing with the outer periphery of Tropical Storm Laura, offering us those rain bands and the gusty winds.